Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Kitchens are the perfect place to brighten up with fun lighting. It's a common room in many homes, but it can also be one of the most boring spaces if nobody takes the time to decorate and make it their own. With some simple ideas, you can quickly transform your kitchen into something that is warm and inviting for any guest who enters. The kitchen is where guests are greeted, families gather for meals, and food is prepared to nourish our bodies. As such, it deserves some special attention when decorating. Brighten up your kitchen with these bright lighting ideas. I'll show you how you can use light fixtures throughout your space, like under-cabinet lights, to make sure this room gets enough illumination at night. Add a chandelier to your kitchen. If you are tired of the traditional kitchen lighting options, can opt for a chandelier. The brightness is not so great, but it highlights the beauty of your kitchen and makes it more decorative. You can check out various models, shapes and sizes at stores that sell lighting fixtures. Don't forget to measure the space where you want to install it. The chandelier is suitable for hanging, especially in the middle of the room with high ceilings, but if you have low ceilings, can put one lamp on each side of kitchen cabinets or counters. If your ceiling is flat, can be used as a focal point if you place it in an elevated surface. You can also hang 2 or more lamps for greater brightness. Install LED under-cabinet lighting for task and accent lighting. The LED light fixtures are very efficient and last a long time. They come in different colors to highlight the colors of cabinets, and you can buy them with remote control so you can turn off or on from anywhere in your kitchen. These lights are used as task lighting for working at counters, but also as accent lighting, highlighting certain architectural details of your kitchen, such as pillars or frames. You can also use this kind of lighting over furniture items such as the island where you have breakfast every morning, or entertainment center. You have to install additional wiring from an electrician depending on where under-cabinet lights installed. If they're installed above countertops, then there's no need to hire an electrician. Just attach LED fixtures around the perimeter of the countertop and plug them into an outlet. You can also use LED strip lighting as accent lighting to highlight decorative details such as ceiling moldings or window frames. These lights come in various sizes and colors, but you should determine before buying where they will be mounted. First, measure with a tape measure to know how long the LED strips are, then cut them after with fiber optic scissors for more precise results. Don't forget that you have adhesive backing so you can stick them on most surfaces, including corners of cabinets or any other furniture item. Once installed, turn off all your kitchen lights and see if under-cabinet LEDs give off enough light for your work areas. If not, install additional fixtures until you get the brightness.